So one more problem, right? If you look at it, they are asking you to prove that this is equal to that one, this plus this equal to that one. The moment when you see these kind of problem, right, again the identity should come into your mind, right? What is the identity we have between sec and 1, right? You have that identity, right, where sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a, right? That is the identity we have. We can use that identity over here to basically prove that this is equal to this. So let's look at it. LHS. LHS is equal to root of sec a minus 1. And so instead of writing this, right, instead of writing the entire problem, right, what I'm going to do is that to make it much more simpler the solution, let sec a be equal to x. My life will become much more easier to solve this one. So what do I have? Then LHS becomes root over x minus 1 root over x plus 1. And similarly, this is root x plus 1 and root over x minus 1. Let's go ahead and simplify these. When you take the LCM over here, what do you get? Right? The LCM becomes x plus 1 times x minus 1. And on the denominator, this into this, it gets multiplied twice. So you will get x minus 1 over here, because root of x, let's write it, this becomes whole square, plus similarly this will become x plus 1 whole square. Look at it. That is what you are going to get. Okay, now go ahead and resolve that. What do you get in the numerator? It becomes x minus 1 plus x plus 1, right? And here it becomes under root of x squared minus 1, right? That is what it is. Now if you look at it, minus 1 gets cancelled. You get 2x divided by under root of x squared minus 1. So I brought it down into a very smaller format by removing all the roots. Now what I'm going to do is that now go ahead and replace the value, right? Whatever we have. So we have x is equal to sec a, replace the value. So this becomes 2 times sec a under root of, this becomes sec square a minus 1. Look at it. Okay, sec square minus 1. What is sec square minus 1? Sec square minus 1 is tan square a. Replace that over here. So this becomes 2 sec a divided by, this becomes tan square a, right? So what it is? So this is 2 sec a and this becomes this becomes tan a. Now go ahead and convert those. What do you get? This will become 2 by cos a times, you have a tan a in the denominator. So when you take it to the numerator, it becomes cot a. So cot a is cos a by sin a. So cos a gets cancelled. This becomes 2 by sin a. 2 by sin a is 2 cosec a, right? Which is equal to RHS proved. This is how you do it. So it's always important to remember these identities. If you remember these identities, your life is going to become very easy. Trigonometric functions mostly revolve around those identities. So this is how you do it. Okay.